Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans.
For the next 2 days, I will be on a little beach trip.
Just in a town. I'm on the edge, I ain't coming down. I get too high, I'm afraid of the ground. I'm young and I'm paid to play with these
I'm
sounds.
so excited because I've never been to an American beach ever. This will be my first time after being here for a year. I'm from the Philippines and we have a lot of beach resorts there. I want to see how different it's gonna be. I woke up at 3 a.m. this morning. I slept at 10 p.m. I needed to pee, so I peed. And then I wasn't able to sleep until 5:30. I think I was too excited for this trip and like anxious that I have a lot of things to do because I still haven't packed yet. This is the bag that I'm gonna use. And the first thing I want to pack are the bath essentials. So I have this with me. Everything should fit here. I already have my bath essentials from the gym. I just gotta transfer. I have the shampoo. This is supposed to be lotion, but this is nothing, and I have this, which smells so good. So this is makeup remover. What do you call that? Water thing. I have this big conditioner because I said that I'm gonna borrow this and then return it to my mom. I literally stole it. Perfect. Right here, our toothbrush. Then I'm also bringing this because it's gonna help me for skincare, makeup, whatever. I brought all my sunscreens. This is the one I use for my face before makeup. It acts like a primer. The rest are things that I don't use for my face, so I'm gonna use them for my body. I really need to rush because it's 9:40 and we already know that my work is at 1. No, my work is at 11 a.m. The makeup products that I'm gonna be using, which are the makeup products I use daily: powder, bronzer, blush, setting spray, mascara, lipstick, concealer. Do I want to bring my eyeshadow palette? I kind of want to because I'll be taking pictures. Look how pretty. Very beach vibes. Can't forget this eyelash color. Eyebrow pencil. Next, I'm gonna bring with me my makeup brushes. Cannot forget that. I used to be a makeup sponge girly, but now when I try the brushes, it changed my life. I'm gonna bring this too. Lip balm, powder, blush, contour, concealer, nose contour. For eyeshadow, this and this would be enough. I'm gonna bring a mirror in case we don't have a mirror. In case. Okay, now we're done with the makeup. I just have a pile of clothes here. I had to stop myself, like I had to get far from my closet or else I'm gonna be bringing that whole thing with me. I brought my bikinis, my cover up, extra clothes for just going out at night when it's cold or when it's warm. So I think I'm good. I think I've packed enough. If I didn't, hey, I'm packing. If my things don't fit here, can I use your bag?
Hi, Trent. Hi, buddy. Hi, you're so cute. I'm ready to be back. Hello. Go to the car, which is extremely full. We had to put the back seat down because of the things. So many things. Guys, I didn't finish doing my nails. Look, I only have 2 nails. Oh yeah. I'm just waiting for Z to finish doing his things. Z and I are about to head to the beach, I think, or the hotel. I'm not sure, actually. I'm just gonna ask him when he gets here. Oh, Trent is outside waiting. Hi, Trent. Hey, buddy. Come. on, jump. Come here. Mm. Hello, you're gonna miss us? But yeah, it's currently... What time is it? I don't know either. Alright guys, see you soon. Stores are so cute. Oh my gosh, there's pizza. I want some pizza. I'm in the car waiting for Z. He just went into the bathroom. But yeah, here. A little drinky drink. I already drank half of it. I cannot but drink this whole shot. Like, it was kind of full. Like, where my finger is. No, you cannot see. Where my thumb was, that's how full it was. I don't know how they're doing that. Why do they drink so much? But yeah, we're at the beach. And look, I want to stay there one day, like one of those places. I wasn't looking.
Sorry. Should have warned you.
Yeah. Wait. I can't bring everything.
I'll do your back for you. You gotta do mine.
Oh, I have a speaker.
I have a speaker too.
You
Did
brought
bring
it?
No, you didn't. Did you?
It's in the car.
Yeah. What good is that? What good does that do us? How you gonna do it? I know you ain't gonna walk back.
Oh, this is better. Come here. Look here.
Yeah.
Just show up.
I gotta get my knickers.
Just show up. Come.
I might make a TikTok, left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know, now I know
Come. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Show me what you got.
I got a croissant. Bacon and egg. And cheese. Coffee. Cheers.
Sweet.
Yeah, very sweet. That's like the matcha I made you one time.
Yeah, this is where they do the pirate.
Say hi.
Hello.
No, not to me.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
If I call you on FaceTime, on the West Coast, so it's late night. I'ma make time if you make time. I'ma make time if you make time. I just wanna see the top with you. I just wanna be in the drop with you. I just wanna spin the black with you. I just wanna spend some nights with you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you.
Hi, just a little update. By the way, I'm my hand's here and I can't move it because I'm covering the car's license number. Anywho, Z and I are going to head back to the hotel to get our stuff and have lunch. Then we're gonna go back here because we really didn't have a chance to sit by the beach or like enjoy the beach because I just keep on going back to the stores.
And then last scoop the cat is something fast when I slide. Burning rubber, they gon' tax me for the tires. It's alright. On my lonely, I just start up that new iron and I ride. Yeah, this is not a trend. Tattoos on my skin. I'm my daddy's twin. I'm a businessman, just like Jigga said. Pennies to an end.
Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please.
We're gonna eat dinner at the there. Vacation is finally over. The trip is finally over. We're back. Okay, it's gone. Anywho. Yeah. I'm going to a cafe to edit the videos, transfer pictures and videos, everything video related. Look, I forgot my laptop bag. That's so embarrassing. Like, I brought everything except for the laptop bag. I had the accessories. Oh, I also didn't bring the charger. Gosh. The guy who was just behind me was the guy I accidentally filmed, and I'm so embarrassed that I'm holding my camera like this and there's like a group of guys over there.